Hello, my name is Sky. I'm 5 years old. I'm in Razkid class. Today I'm going to read the story Stop Snoring. This is my favorite story. Stop Snoring. This is the title of the book. And this is the cover of the book. Now let's start. Off with next. Grandpa is snoring very loudly. Billy and Lick wakes him up. They shake Grandpa's shoulder. Grandpa keeps on snoring. They squeeze Grandpa's nose. Grandpa keeps on snoring. Second. They tickle Grandpa's feet. Secret. Secret now. Here. That's done. Grandpa keep on snoring. They play Grandpa instruments. Grandpa keep on snoring. They spin Grandpa's chair. Grandpa keep on snoring. They dance to Grandpa's music. Grandpa keep on snoring. They sat Grandpa's hair. Grandpa keep on snoring. Billy and Lick are tired. They sleep on Grandpa's floor. They're awesome. Grandpa wake up. Who is snoring very loudly? Asked Grandpa. He asked. Bye. And